Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look with products I either haven't used before or haven't used in a very long time. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start with my eyes first. I've prepped my eyes already with my concealer. I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette 5 in shade palette 5. The only downside I found this palette is there is no mattes in it. It is pretty much all shimmers, which is good if you like your shimmers, but it's good to at least have one matte in there. I'm going to start with this shade here. I believe it's Tropic, if I'm right, otherwise Deep Pacific, but still a nice shade. Just going to take the same shade and work it through my crease. I'm now going to take Blue Space and just work it through my crease as well. So I'm now going to take, should be Pearl, and just work it onto my eyelid as well. So this is the Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Primer. I've used this a few times. It's not amazing, but it's not horrible either. It does give a bit of a illumination to the skin, but obviously if you're not going to mix it with your foundation or do light coverage, you're not going to see it a lot. Anyway. Onto foundation, I've got the Cosmetics CC Oil Free Matte Cream. I've used the normal CC cream and love it. Haven't yet tried the matte, but in this I am a fair, which weirdly in the normal is actually quite yellow, which I'm not that big of a fan of. Let's see if this is different. Okay, on the back of my hand as well, it still looks quite yellow. Which to be honest doesn't surprise me, but I don't get why they make fair shades yellow for. I'm also using my Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush in number 7. Concealer. I didn't have any new concealer that I haven't opened yet, so I'm just going to use my good old trusty Sephora High Coverage Concealer. Absolutely love this. It's full coverage, but it's not a heavy full coverage. Set my concealer with good old Kat Von D Locket Powder. I'm just going to finish off my eyes now using the Natasha Denona palette 5. Again, I'm going to take, I think it's Tropic, along my lower lash line. Alright, on to brows. Now, this product, some people hate it, some people love it. It is the Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Taupe. Again, I'm yet to use it. My brows are quite a dark brown, which I guess if you are more on the, say, strawberry blonde to kind of dark brown, it would work. But they say it's good for auburns as well, and I don't think so. I have a friend who is auburn and she cannot use it. Now I'm going to set my brows with the good old trusty Benefit 24-hour brow setter. on to contour, blush and highlight. I have got with me the Makeup Forever Jessie J contour highlight blush palette. So I'm just going to go in with obviously my contour. The contour shade, I don't know if it's because of the foundation or if it is red tone underneath. But I don't know, I'm just not loving it. Onto the blush. The blush is gorgeous little pink shade right here. Now onto the highlight. We'll see how this goes because I'm not normally a big gold highlighter fan. Being more fair, I prefer those white and silver tones. Okay, onto mascara. This I've tried a few times, the Tarte Laqucer Lashes Mascara, but haven't tried it recently, so we're going to give it another go. Alrighty, now onto lips. So before I started, I did prep my lips with the Bite Agave lip balm. Absolutely love these, nice and nourishing, but very natural as well. So lip liner, I'm just using the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the Nudeist. Now I'm going to top my lips off with the Marc Jacobs Enamored Lip Shine in Sugar. Voila, and there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you wish as well, and check out my Instagram too. Thank you, bye.